You can order the air filter used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Turn off the ignition. Set the parking brake. Pull on the hood release lever and open the hood. To access the air filter more easily, we recommend removing the air intake boot. Using a multi-bit screwdriver and a 5.5mm socket, unscrew the two air intake boot holding clamps. Using needle nose pliers, squeeze the metal clamp and disconnect the vent hose from the boot. You can now remove the air intake boot and move it to the side. Using a multi-bit screwdriver, an extender, and an 8mm socket, unscrew the 4 airbox cover holding bolts. Lift the cover and move it aside. Take out the air filter. Before putting the new filter in place, it is important to clean out any impurities or leaves stuck in the filter compartment. Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. If you enjoyed this video and want to support us, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay. Back to work. You can order the air filter used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new filter. You can now put the new filter in place. Put the cover back in place. Then, screw the 4 retaining bolts back in. Put the air intake boot back in place. Pinch the metal clamp and reconnect the vent hose to the air boot. Screw the 2 clamps back on. Operation complete.